How to fix login error in Fandango at home application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and is connected to a network. Doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Fandango application. Click on Show All. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.